Hi, my name is Steve. I work here at GK Machine. I've been here just over 10 years. I run the CNC plasma and the CNC lasers, as well as a few other odds and ends. So the process on running the plasma, we identify the type of material and the size of sheet, and then we'll bring it in by whatever means we have. And then we'll use the overhead cranes, load it onto the table, lock it down if we have any special processes that we need. And then we'll put the program into the controller. It will show you a picture of the program. We'll modify any tooling, threads that we need to put in there, the different processes for the plasma head itself. Put all that in there. Once everything looks good, we'll line the sheet, run the program, and then we'll offload the parts, get them cleaned up as necessary, and on to the next operation. One of many things that is nice about working here is just the sheer people. All, if not most of us, are on a first name basis going all the way up to the owner, Gary. He comes down, he knows who we are, and we all get along, and some of us even hang out outside of work. That's the best thing that you can think of when you go to a different company is, are you just a number or are you a person? Here, we're a person. We all know each other. We all love working together, and we just kind of hang out. So if you're getting out of high school and you don't want to go to college, the military is not for you, you want to do something with your hands, coming to work here as opposed to other industries, food service, whatnot. Here, you can start from the bottom, learn the basics, and then through hard work and knowledge that you gain from the more experienced people like myself that work here, you can move right up and you can make a serious career. I have no plans in leaving this place. So if you want to do something with your hands and you want to learn something on a daily basis, on an hourly basis, this would be a great opportunity for you. So as far as wages go, you can make a decent wage. I'm single and I can support myself and I still have a comfortable life. Sky's the limit as far as how much you can make, because the harder you work, the more you make.